morning students. Welcome you all in this video. In the continuation of the first chapter, this is the second part of the 100 dresses part 2. As you know, the writer of this story is Eleanor Estes. Now, you know the main character is Wanda and there are two more characters, Peggy, Maddie. I am telling you summary of this story. Wanda's family informs the school that Wanda and her brother Jack will no longer attend school and that the family is moving to a city because of the mistreatment. This part deals with the regret that Peggy and Wanda feel and how a change comes over Maddie's attitude because of Wanda's kindness and strength. Wanda does not dislike Peggy even though Peggy teases her. She is not vindictive and does not hold any grudges against Peggy for teasing her. Instead, she gives one of the best dresses that she has drawn to Peggy. She shows her generosity to all the girls in room 13 even though they had all been nasty and cruel to her. She was a forgiving nature and does not remind the girl of their ill treatment, but tells Miss Mason that the girls can keep the 100 dresses. She shows her large-heartedness through this gesture. She shows them the value of kindness and also demonstrates her incredible talent and sensitivity. She has great strength of character and does not allow the bullying to scar her. Peggy feels guilty when the letter from Wanda's father is read out in the class. She even suggests to Maddie that they should try and visit her place. But when they find out that the family has already left, she confesses that Wanda was not actually dumb as she had thought earlier. She tries to find solace by saying that she never made fun of her name. She admires Wanda's talent but tries to take credit for the fact that if it had not been for her constant questions, Wanda would never have drawn them or won the competition. Maddie is a grief-stricken and feels progressively worse as the days go by. When the family moves out, she undergoes a change and resolves to never stand by and let things happen if she felt something was wrong. She decides to stand up to whoever it is who does the wrong thing. When this letter to Peggy gets no response, she starts to play out scenario where Peggy is bullying Wanda and she is defending her. She knows that her change of heart has become a bit too late and that her newfound courage is pointless. But she would never let it happen to anybody else. At Christmas, when they receive the picture of the dresses as gifts from Wanda, she is heartbroken and remembers Wanda very fondly. Now, this part highlights the pain of immigrants who were often isolated and faced really harsh situations because of racism. The girls are regretful about their behavior but realize that it is too late to apologize. A great change comes over Maddie, who is wrecked by guilt and is unable to concentrate on her studies. She resolved to build the courage to stand up to such behavior in the future and to never stand by and watch if a similar incident occurs again. When their letter to Maddie gets no response, Maddie's guilt gets worse and she even imagines standing up to Peggy and not defending Wanda. At Christmas, Wanda demonstrates her kindness and strength of character by gifting the dress to the girls. This part shows how we can win people over only with love and not with hate. Thank you, students.